If you've ever sought professional help for depression, then you've likely walked away with a prescription for a certain type of drug, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors or SSRIs. SSRIs are the most widely used treatment for depression. Even if you've never taken them, you probably recognize popular brand names like Prozac, Paxil, Zoloft and Lexapro from commercials. Unfortunately, these pervasive pills leave much to be desired. When SSRIs first came out, doctors thought they were 80 to 90% effective at treating depression and certain anxiety disorders, so they began passing them out like candy. But it turns out, those initial statistics were manipulated by prescription drugs companies. They'd concealed studies with negative results to sell more drugs and make more money. Over the years, we've learned that SSRIs are closer to only 33% effective. That's about the same as a placebo pill. Of course, SSRIs have more side effects than a placebo, like insomnia, skin rashes, headaches, joint and muscle pain, stomach upset, nausea, diarrhea, internal bleeding, low sex drive, tics, muscle spasms, repetitive muscle movement and compulsive restlessness. So SSRIs aren't effective. And with that long list of side effects, it's a wonder anyone is still taking them. The problem is, most people don't know how else to treat their depression. But a common mineral could save the day for depression sufferers everywhere. In fact, a recent study suggests this mineral may be effective enough to step in and steal the crown away from SSRIs as the go-to treatment for depression. Are you enjoying the video? Please like, share and subscribe, then let's get back to business. In one of the first clinical trials to study the effect of magnesium on depressed people, researchers from the University of Vermont found that magnesium supplements could be an effective treatment for depression. The study included 126 adults with mild to moderate depression. After 6 weeks of taking 248 milligrams of elemental magnesium per day, many of them showed a significant improvement in their depression and anxiety symptoms. Even more exciting, it didn't take the full 6 weeks for participants to experience an improvement in their mood. Many experienced a positive difference within 2 weeks. And barely anyone experienced negative side effects either. Only one person had nausea and lethargy that was significant enough to stop taking the supplement. The results were very encouraging, given the great need for additional treatment options for depression, and they're finding that magnesium supplementation provides a safe, fast and inexpensive approach to controlling depressive symptoms. Now, researchers don't know exactly why magnesium does the trick for depression, but they have a few theories. One theory relates to how magnesium affects your brain chemicals, particularly serotonin. Low magnesium levels have been shown to reduce your brain's production of serotonin. And, as you probably know, low serotonin levels are thought to be one of the primary culprits behind depression. Inflammation may have something to do with it as well. Studies show that magnesium fights inflammation, and inflammation has been tied to depression in previous studies. So that's the video for today, and hopefully you have learned a thing or two. Please don't forget to leave me a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe. See you next time.